Let's move on to a rhythm example that uses a mixture of whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. I'm going to perform this on the high E string, and I want you to follow along to the music at the bottom of the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play it together. Remember to tap your foot and keep counting to 4. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 notes on the high E string in open position. They are E, F, and G. E is the top space. F is the top line. And G is just above the staff. On the fretboard, E corresponds to the open first string. F is played at the first fret with the first finger. Not actually on the fret wire itself, but behind it towards the nut. Press firmly and add pressure with help of your thumb behind the neck. G is at the 3rd fret, played with the 3rd finger. The notes on the 2nd string are B, C, and D. B is the note in the middle line. C is the 3rd space, and D is the 4th line on the staff. On the fretboard, B corresponds to the open 2nd string. C is at the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and D is at the 3rd fret. The first song we're going to play together is Ode to Joy from Beethoven's 9th Symphony. First at a slow tempo, and then again at a faster tempo. You'll hear 4 clicks of the metronome, and then we'll begin. In open position, we're only dealing with 2 notes on the G string, G and A. On the staff, G is the 2nd line, and A is the 2nd space. On the fretboard, G corresponds to the open 3rd string, and A is at the 2nd fret. And I'm playing that with my 2nd finger. D, E, and F are the notes found on the 4th string. On the staff, D is the note right below the staff. E is the 1st line of the staff, and F is the 1st space. On the fretboard, D is the 4th string open. E is the 2nd fret, played, the 2nd finger. And F is the 3rd fret with the 3rd finger. Let It Be from the Beatles has notes on the top 4 strings. And it starts with a pickup note, so when you hear the metronome, we'll play on the 4th click. And also in Let It Be, you'll come across a new rhythm figure, and that's the dotted half note, and it receives 3 beats. First at a slow tempo, then at a fast tempo. Here we go.